Bauer customers are never left alone. No need to worry when you have Bauer. With our large projects throughout the world, we create the necessary infrastructure in order to ensure the operational safety for our Bauer systems. Our service strategy is unique within the compressor industry. The basis for our service network is how we maximize process reliability in our factories. From the compressor design to the finished filling station, these complete systems are designed and produced in-house. If a friend would ask me, I would recommend Bauer. I know these systems inside and out. In our process, each component within our systems is documented.
Even the smallest screw is integrated in the maintenance process.
All our international specialists abroad are trained in our training center in Germany and certified according to the highest German standards. To double verify the maintenance process, we have introduced incident management. In case of incident, the help desk in Munich provides our branches with all the necessary information required within a maximum of 2 hours. On site, we examine the checklists for our systems at regular intervals. Here, the two-man rule applies. The checklist is cross-checked and signed off by a colleague. Then the list goes for the counter-signature from the customer. Once a year, or after 2,000 operating hours, a regular maintenance is carried out. Moreover, a monthly check, both internally and externally, is performed. The technicians perform maintenance work on the system at precisely measured times. In the event of unforeseen incidents, our maintenance offices react immediately.
We provide our service for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In case of any complaints, immediately we depute our on-call service engineer to the respective site, driving a dedicated service van equipped with all necessary tools and spare parts and rectify the fault on the spot. In case of any major failures, it needs just a small trip to our warehouse in Abu Dhabi to obtain any kind of spare parts for any working unit in UAE.
In our warehouse, each spare part is stored in sufficient numbers. Even in case a large incident should occur, we are specifically prepared for each type of system by having even several replacement blocks available. Our branch offices are also seamlessly prepared for any unplanned incident. For example, if a spare part is needed outside of routine working hours, we can react within minutes. Each spare part is labeled and therefore available as it is in Germany, precisely how it was recorded within the documentation, safe from confusion, immediately at hand. No need to worry when you have Bauer. Reliability is in our DNA.